this couldn't happen again. This is that one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making a video. This is like my everyday makeup routine, and it's just a really simple look. Actually, matagal ko nang gustong mag-video ng makeup video, pero ewan ko. Well, the last time that I uploaded, I deleted it like after 2 weeks, so hindi ko to i-delete. If you wanna see how I do my makeup every day, keep on watching. Alright, so una, magsisimula muna ako sa eyes, sa eyebrows. There's this hack on TikTok. It's where you use this one. Alam ko nilalagay ito sa buhok ng lalaki. Actually, when I tried this one, it really gave me that fluffy, thick eyebrow look that I really want. So, if you guys want that look, try nyo to. I'm gonna get a spoolie eye. Where's my eye? So, itong spoolie na to, I got it from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna like put a really tiny amount. And papakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so close. As you can see, medyo magulo yung eyebrows ko. So I just put a really tiny amount. And I just brush my hair upwards. So as you guys can see, this looks so much better than this one. So yeah, I'll just do it on the other side of my eyebrows and we're done. Tapos na ako sa eyebrows. Next is sa eyes. Okay, I don't really put eyeshadow that much. I do sometimes, but not like every day. But I do put eyeliner and mascara. I'm just gonna use like a regular eyeliner. Okay, so I'm just gonna put like a really simple wing. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Next, sa eyelashes ko. So I'm just gonna curl it really quick. So I'm gonna use this. This is the ColourPop mascara. I do really love this mascara. So I'm done with mascara. This morning I did wash my face, and then after I washed my face, I did put the e.l.f. Holy Hydration face cream. I've been using this one for like 2 weeks, and I love it. So if you guys want like a moisturizer cream, this is really good. You can put this before you sleep, after you wash your face in the morning, or before you wear your makeup. So I did put this after I washed my face today. Now I'm just gonna put this Wet n Wild Prime Focus. It's a hydrating primer. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face. This smells so good. Alright, so while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna get this chapstick and I'm just gonna put it in my lips kasi medyo dry yung lips ko today. Next one that I use, I do have this poreless putty primer. I also have the other one. The other one's called matte putty primer. It's from e.l.f. and you put this before you put foundation or concealer. I'm gonna use the poreless putty primer today, so it looks like this. It's like a pink colored one. And I just put it on my T-zone where I get oily, because it does cancel all the oiliness on your face. Alright, so next one is concealer. And I've been using the one from Maybelline, pero basta na kasi siya, like if you can see. So I got myself the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, but this one's lighter. And I also got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm just gonna put this one. So I'm gonna use this one from Wet n Wild. Okay, so after I use this one, I'm just gonna get my sponge and get my Bare With Me multitasking spray, and I'm just gonna spray this one and use it to blend it more. So I'm done with concealer. After I put concealer on, I'm gonna contour my face. I don't really contour my face like all the time, but I feel like doing it today. I'm gonna use this matte bronzer stick from Milk Makeup, and what I do is I just put it like here. Okay, so I use the same beauty blender that I used for my concealer and just blend it in. Okay, so next one I'm gonna go with my Milk Makeup blush. So it's like this. It's a cream blush. I just put this here, put a little bit on my nose, and just blend it in. I love cream blushes. It gives you that natural glowy skin. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put powder on my face. This is from Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and the shade is Banana. I'm gonna get myself a fluffy brush. This is from e.l.f. too. Just gonna get some and tap it in. And okay, so patapos na tayo. So lastly is yung lips. As you can see, my lips are really pale. I do love tinted lip balms, so I'm gonna use this from Burt's Bees. I'm just gonna put this in for a little pop of color on my lips. Alright, so I'm actually done. After all of this, I used the NYX multitasking spray that I used on my beauty blender earlier. I'm just gonna use this to like set everything. And lastly, I just use my beauty blender again and just dab it in. I'm done. So that's pretty much the look that I go for every day. Simple lang siya and saglit lang din siya gawin. So thank you guys for watching. I will try to upload more. If you want more videos, you can just comment down below and subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So bye guys.